What is going on, y'all? This is Practically Paige, a channel dedicated to teaching you how to look good, eat good, and live good. In today's video, we are going to get into your best twist out ever. And I'm telling you, your twist out will last a lot longer than you think. So let's hop right into it. I'm gonna be using a new product, which is by Carol's Daughter, which is Wash Day Delight. It's like a light way to wash your hair to show you how well it works. Then we're going to deep condition with Foundation Care Curls Please. So now we're gonna get into the Carol's Daughter shampoo, and what I love about this is that it's so light, and once you give it a good lather, it really helps to distribute throughout the hair. So a little bit goes a long way, and this is a really, really good shampoo. And this is my hair in its natural state. And so now, while my hair is wet, I'm going to add my Foundation Care Deep Conditioner. And what I love about this is that it leaves my hair feeling strong, moisturized, and shiny. So I will twist it up, distribute it, and cover it with a shower cap. I like to deep condition for a few hours, but I recommend deep conditioning for at least 1 hour minimum. And so I am rinsing out my hair after a couple of hours, and I'm applying my leave-in while my hair is wet. And I like to do this because I feel like it leaves my hair a lot more defined. And while my hair is in its nicest curl pattern, I want to make sure I'm locking in the moisture so I can retain this. And I am brushing it out every step of the way. Then you're gonna seal it with oil. Essentially, this is the LCO method, but we're adding gel at the end. So make sure you distribute it evenly through smaller sections and brush it out. Do this throughout your whole head while it's wet, and then braid out or twist out your hair. Don't do it while your hair is dry. So after that, I twisted out my hair and I broke it down to smaller sections. And now I'm gonna separate the curls. You see how I could see the curls individually? Just separate them naturally. Don't feel forced to pull them. And after that, it looks cute, but we're gonna amp it up by picking it out. So once we pick it out, it's gonna give it a lot more volume. And what I love about adding gel is that it leaves my ends a lot more moisturized. So I challenge you to try gel in your next twist out or braid out.